the Word of Life movement is a very disruptive movement. You see a lot of smiley people, very friendly. You see children playing. So how can this be evil, right? But Paul says himself, an angel, the devil can come as an angel of light. And I see kids, they're growing up, who are growing animosity towards their own apostolic church. Funny enough, they are using a picture, an icon of Mesrop Mashtots on their website, as if there's nothing different. So iconography isn't allowed, but just for the sake of looking like as if we are some kind of continuity, we are Armenian, no problem. Even their own scholars of evangelicalism, they are acknowledging that evangelicalism is cutting Armenians away from their own history, that they shouldn't have reformed that much. If you know that your group is destroying our people, why are you continuing?